Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Really quick video for you today. I just wanted to share a bit of information. Elementor's got a 50% off sale on depending on what plan you buy. Today is June the 2nd, 2021, and the sale is going for another 5 days. So you can get 50% off or up to 50% off depending on which plan you choose if you go over to Elementor. And this is only good for 5 days, so if you're watching it after 5 days from now, which will be the 7th of June, then this will not work for you, but you can still get Elementor from my link below. And I'll put the link to this page down below the video for anybody that wants to use it. It may be an opportunity, especially if you're using the great free plan, to upgrade to the pro plan. For anybody that doesn't know about Elementor, it's a fantastic page builder, really easy to use, and we've got plenty of playlists demonstrating how you can use it. We've got e-commerce site builds and general hover effects and things like that. So have a look down below, you'll find all those playlists down there. And for anybody that wants to upgrade or get a better plan, now is the time if you want to get up to 50% off. So I hope this helps you all out. Like I say, really short video today. And I'll put a birthday sale link down below which will take you to this page. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.